Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to stop the Facebook app from autoplaying videos on Android, and it is May 1st, 2024. Scroll up to go to your apps, scroll over, go to Facebook and click on your picture in the top right hand corner, scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy, go to Settings, scroll down. Under Preferences, it says Customize your experience on Facebook. You're going to go to Media. Under Autoplay, as you can see, it's currently set to on mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can select on Wi-Fi only or never autoplay videos. You're going to go ahead and select never autoplay videos. Changes have been saved. So that's how you stop Facebook from autoplaying videos on Android as of May 1st, 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.